if you also want to access your PC files from anywhere in the world. Sometimes you have some files in your PC that you didn't carry in your mobile for some reasons and want to use it from anywhere in the world. Don't worry, in this video I will show you how you can access your PC files from anywhere in any device only if you have Wi-Fi network. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. We want to 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. Also click the bell icon for any latest updates. Let's get started. First you have to click search icon. Search here Windows features. Here you have to find Internet Information Service. Check it and extend it. From here check FTP server, extend it and check both points. You have to make sure Web Management Tools is also checked. After this, click OK. Now Windows is installing some settings in your PC, so wait. Now go to File Manager. Here you have to make a folder which you want to share. You can name it anything. So you put any file in this, it will be shareable. Now you have to make FTP server for share files. Simply go to the search, type here IIS Manager and open it. Extend this. Right click on the sites, click Add FTP site. Give any name to this, like I give my FTP. Select the folder that we just created. Here you have to put your PC IP address. For that, search command and run as administrator. Type here ipconfig. IPv4 address is your IP address. Simply type it here. Set the port default 21. From here select no SSP and click next. From here you have to set it to basic. Select here specific user and check the both options. Now write here the name. In the next step we are making the specific user account. So write the name which you have to keep for your account, like I write FTP user. Click finish. Now you have to make user account FTP server. You can't go with your recommended Microsoft account for creating account. Go to the PC settings. Click the accounts icon. Click other user option. Now add account. Click I don't have this person's sign-in information. Click add a user without Microsoft account. Type the name which you write in your FTP server, like I write FTP user. Make a new password. For more security, add questions. Now you have to give the access to control the folder, like deleting anything, copy, paste and more. For that, go to your folder properties. Here go to the security tab, click edit. Now click add. Type here your account name, like I have FTP user. Click check names. It automatically finds the user. Click OK. Now select the user we just add. Check the full control box. Click apply and OK. Now we have to turn off Defender Firewall for our FTP server so it doesn't block anything. For that, click and search here Windows Defender. Open it in Control Panel. Click the side option, which is Allow an app or features. Click Change Settings. Now find here FTP server. Turn it on and make sure both private and public network are checked. Now click OK. Now here is the most complicated part. You have to make this server run so you can use the folder anywhere. For that, open Chrome. Go to your Wi-Fi admin page. So you don't have same Wi-Fi like mine. Some have Tenda, some have TP-Link. In my case, I am using Tenda device, so you have to find port forwarding. All Wi-Fis have the port forwarding option, you just have to find it. For Tenda users, click the advanced option in the side. Here you can see port forwarding option, so all Wi-Fis have same settings. Simply in the IP address, type your PC IP address that we see earlier in the video. Make the external and internal port default 21 and click add. Now all set. Simply in the status, copy the WAN IP address or simple IP address. Now disconnect your Wi-Fi or go to any other PC where you want to see your shared folder. Go to the file manager. Type here ftp:// your WAN IP address : your port. Now type your username and password here. You can see my files is shown here. But in your case, if you see some errors or your files not opening like mine, simply open Chrome. Type here FileZilla. Download this software. This is the file manager, but it gives you more settings and options. After downloading, follow my steps to install. Now open the FileZilla. Here you can see host, username, password and port option. Simply in host, type your WAN IP address you copy from Wi-Fi admin page. Then type your username, password and port. Now click quick connect. You can see my files is shown. Simply double click so it will be downloaded in your user folder. For mobile phone, simply open Play Store. Search CX Manager and install it. After installing, open it. Give all permissions. Go to the network option. Click add. Click Remote and FTP. Now type your WAN IP address. Port is default. Select FTP, username and password. You can see your files is shown here. You can simply use it, copy it and also delete is from here. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe and click the bell icon for any latest updates. Thanks for watching.